Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna unbox this new Vivo V40e smartphone. So let's unbox this. Here it is, the Vivo branding over here, Vivo 10 years, and you will see V40e smartphone. Here it is, the Vivo branding over there, and at the back you will see some specification: made in India, RAM is 8 GB, ROM is 128 GB, and its color is mint green, and it also have other colors. It is I have purchased in mint green color. There another is brown. So let's, here it is, the smartphone. You can see, just keep it aside and check what is in the box. Here it is, the tray, and you will see a case. It is a rubber case and it is a protective case. It will uh, you can see its build quality is very good, and a warranty card and a quick start guide. You will see here it is, the power adapter. Here you will see, friends, you will see here it is a 80-volt fast charger by Vivo, and here it is charging cable. It is a USB to type C, and here it is a SIM tool. So let's open and unwrap the smartphone. Let's keep it inside, and here it is, the mint green smartphone. Just unwrap this, and friends, you will see the design, the build quality. It is a very glossy design, you can see, and it is very sleek. You can see the side bezels. Its design is super cool, and you will see a texture over this green, mint green color. Friends, look at the camera. Here it is, the back camera, that is 50 megapixel plus 8 megapixel DSLR like pictures and great zoom. And talking about its front camera, here it is, the front camera. You will see it is a 50 megapixel attractive selfies with clear and sharp colors, and the display size is 6.77-inch AMOLED, impressive display and enhanced viewing experience. You can see it is a very sleek smartphone, and its weight is not more than any smartphone. It has 5500 mAh of battery life that can last up to 2 days. That a good feature of this smartphone. And obviously it is a dual SIM 5G smartphone. So let's check its refresh rate. You can see how smooth it is. You can run any app, any game. You can play any game on it. It is very smooth. You can check the refresh rate in your settings. Just you have to go to the settings, type here refresh rate like this, and you will see here it is a 120 hertz of refresh rate. In this price point, a refresh rate up to 120 hertz create a dynamic and smoother, more refined dynamic display, but it also increases the system power consumption, so you have to manage it. And look at the screen. It is very bezel free screen. You can play games in a very smooth way. And let's say, check its camera quality also. Friends, I have taken some pictures in it of this main back camera. You can see it here. It is the front camera photo. You will see the brightness and overall the look. You will see the brightness on the face, that is very good. Here it is, the back camera photo, and here it is a low light photo. You will see the here are shadows also coming in this, and when you just zoom it, it will be in full screen mode, and when you just zoom it, it will not be blurry in the photos. You can see And talking about its video quality, you can check in the video, then click on resolution. It can capture 4K at 30 fps video recording it provides. And also it has micro movie and others features like pano, ultra hd document, slow motion, time lapse, super moon pro, dual view and live photos also. You can see it has night mode also. And let's check its video quality. So first open the YouTube, then click on search. Here you have to write video 4K. Then you will see here it is in the full brightness and it is in the full screen. You can zoom up to 8x zoom. You can see you can up to 8x zoom. And let's check its quality. Click on quality advanced. You can watch any video in 2160 pixel at 60 fps plus HDR option. Here it is given. You can zoom it like this. And let's check its speaker quality also. Just you have to write NCS and you can see friends, you can see the speaker is very good and bass is also very good. You can see at the back you will see a speaker over here, one charging point, one microphone and same tool tray. Here it is the volume rocker button, up and down, a power button, and at the top you will see one microphone over here. Friends, let's check it in the settings. So first let's check its processor also. So first you have to open system or about phone. Here you will see the processor. It is a 2.5 gigahertz Dimensity 7300 octa core with RAM 8 GB and 8 GB is extendable. And you will see here it is Android version is 14 and phone storage is 120 hertz. You can see other status also, software informations like this. If you like this unbox, I have given in the link in the description. You can check it out, this mobile phone. If you like this unboxing video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.